Can a simple shift knob truly transform your daily commute? We're looking at the Zekintiro gear shift knob, designed specifically for the Geely Emgrand X7, and it claims to be more than just a pretty face. If you own an older Emgrand, you know that sometimes the stock shifter can feel a little vague or worn out. This replacement, which includes the Gator boot cover, aims to fix all that. The first thing you notice is the ergonomic design. The manufacturer stresses that comfortable grip is paramount, and holding it, you immediately feel the difference. It's shaped to fit the hand naturally, which is crucial because they also claim this design actively reduces unnecessary shaking. That's a big performance promise. If it cuts down on slop and improves the tactile feedback, you're getting better control stability, which translates directly into a more satisfying driving experience. Let's talk materials. The core is made from durable ABS material. ABS is known for being strong and easy to maintain, meaning this thing should last. Paired with the PU leather gaiter, it gives a much-needed aesthetic boost. It genuinely looks sharp, elevating the interior quality without breaking the bank. It's color D45D, which seems to be a standard, clean black finish, perfect for blending seamlessly into the existing cabin. Now the best part for anyone doing this themselves: installation. They promise this is a direct replacement. No complicated modifications, no cutting, just swap the old one out and put the new one in. Quick and effective installation is always a massive win in the aftermarket world. Overall, the Zekintiro knob delivers on its core promises. It's a durable, comfortable, and genuinely attractive upgrade that makes shifting feel tighter and more precise. For Geely Emgrand X7 owners looking for an affordable, high-impact interior refresh, this is a fantastic option.
Check out the video description for updated price. And thank you for watching this video.